Find the horizontal and vertical components. They give you the magnitude and they give you the direction. So let's go ahead and sketch it. 115 degrees. So this is 90, 120. I'm gonna place 2 dashes, so 120 degrees is here, so just a bit less. And the length is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe a little longer should be fine. And this is the 115 degrees. So therefore, automatically we know that your A value, whenever you find your vector, your A value will have to be negative and your B value will have to be positive. Now to find your A value, it's going to be your magnitude and your cosine, because we're looking about the x of the angle. So A is equal to 5 multiplied by the cosine 115 degrees. And just type into your calculator. Make sure that you guys are on degrees to get the correct answer. So therefore A is equal to negative 2.11, or just 2.1 is fine. And now to be able to find the vertical will be B equal to the magnitude and the sine, since we're looking for the vertical. So in this case, B will be equal to 5 multiplied by the sine of 115 degrees. So 5 multiplied by the sine of 115 degrees will give you 4.5. So let's go write that down. Negative 2.1 and 4.5. And 2.1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, that was pretty accurate. But one of the main things that when you sketch it, you want to kind of get an idea whether this should be negative or positive, and it should match. So let's try letter B. 230 degrees. So let's see. This is 180. I'm going to place my 2 dashes. That's 210, 240. So 230 will be just a bit less. And the length is 5, so kind of estimated. But the main thing that we want to find out is that since this is at 230 degrees, this should be a vector somewhere on quadrant number 3. So therefore your A and B component, that should be negative and negative. To find your A component, we're using the magnitude, which is 5, multiplied by the cosine of 230 degrees, which is A is equal to negative 3.2. And to find B, will be 5 multiplied by the sine of 30 degrees, which is 2.5. And 2.5, so let's see, negative and should be negative, right? So I did something wrong. So that kind of gives you an idea that you did something wrong. And of course, this is 230. I'm going to type in a 2 in there, and negative 3.8. Now it looks correct. So remember, the main idea of drawing your angle, your vector that you will have to do on the test is to verify that you got the correct answer. And this is a negative.